In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to build a website. So, as you may know, you can use Claude AI simply to build your website. It can do all the jobs like right from planning to coding to deployment, everything with the options for both like if you're a developer as well as you're a non-coder or just a beginner. So depending on you who you are, then you can simply use Cloud AI for your requirements. So firstly, we're going to start off with Cloud AI. So just go to cloud.ai, go to the official website, and you can sign into your plan, or if you don't have, you can just sign up with your Google credentials. You have the free plan, so that's fine. You don't really have to purchase, so you can simply use the free plan. That's fine. So once you have logged in, you'll get to this screen here. So this is their home page here. So you have it with the text box prompts here. So what Cloud AI actually can do, so it can help you to write the website context, like from text, headings, FAQs, everything. It can help you write that. Okay, and you can also generate the HTML, the CSS and JavaScript code from your natural language description. So like from how you can generally describe it in your natural language. Okay, and also it can also explain like wireframes, UX design choices and best practices and everything. It will actually help you to deploy a site live using the modern hosting services. So Cloud AI is capable of doing all this. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is, once you've logged into here, the first thing you need to make sure is you need to define your project call, because the main thing here relies with the prompt that you give. So based on the prompt that you provide, your website will be built based on the prompt. So you got to make sure you give a good prompt, okay, a quality prompt, in order to get a quality output or result. So when you're typing your prompt, okay, so decide what you want to build, what type of website. So for example, I've got this one here. So I want to create a personal portfolio website. So I want specifically the sections about me, my work and contact details. Okay, and the design should be modern and attractive with a responsive layout for mobile device. So as you can see here, when you give a prompt, know the purpose, like what's the purpose, like your business page, your portfolio, what is it, your e-commerce website. So make sure you include that. And the features, like what do you need it to have, like your responsive design, a contact form, what. And then brandings, like if you have a specific colors, brands, everything, mention that too. Okay, so because once you include these, then cloud cloud will know exactly what to build based on your preference and what you like, because you need to like whatever the cloud is creating, right? So you need to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to start in the cloud's chat. So this is the chat box here. So you need to write what exactly it needs to create. So you can like do it individually for each pages, that's fine, or you can simply like give a general website prompt here, like which I did just for the video. I'm just doing this. Okay, so let's example, I want to create, so this is my prompt. So I want to create, okay, so I have mentioned what I want to create. Okay, it's just a personal portfolio site, and I need specifically these three sections: about me, the my work, so that I can put my works, and contact. Okay, and the design is modern. Okay, I want something modern and attractive. Okay, and also the layout should be responsive to mobile device as well, because many people will be using their mobile devices to browse, right? So that's why. So this is the prompt that I'm going to do. And then once you have like provided the prompt, here you have the options to add any files, anything relevant to your website or anything you want to add. You can click on the add files option here, and then you can add your photos or any files here. Okay, all right, you can do that. Okay, so here, and under here, under use style, okay, under use style here, click on the use style, and from there select concise, because we need something like concisely less personalized for you. So click on concise. Okay, so choose this style, concise, and then plug in your prompt. So whatever the prompt you want to type, so this is just a demo, you can just plug that in, and that's the model it's going to use everything. And then all you have to do is click on this enter button. So now what happens is that if you give Cloud AI a bit of time, it's going to like generate the codes, as well as it will create the websites for you. So as you can see, the process have started, and it's actually doing the doing the work for you. So all you have to do is just give it a bit of time for it to complete the process. So here, as you can see now, the website has now been created. So Cloud AI has actually created the draft website here. So if I just like adjust this a bit here, okay, I just move it around, you can see, get a better view. Okay, so these are my prompts here on the left side here. This is my prompt that I just created, and my chat with Cloud AI. See, Cloud AI has given me what it's been done, all these things. So it's giving me all these details, the features about my websites and everything. That's fine. See, as you can see, it has created with like what I wanted. I wanted like about section, work section, contact section, all those things. So the general one has now been created. So now that this has been created, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to like customize it. Okay, so you want to like add more stuff to it, more personalize it, right? Yes. So what are you going to do to that? So here on your right side here, this is the actual view of your website, right? And here on your top left here, on the left hand side, so this is your website view. But next to that, you see the codes view. So if you click on these, okay, this will show you your codings, okay, the codes that's been used for your website. So now to personalize it, okay, what you can do, you can simply copy this code. Okay, so you have these and you have the copy option here. Okay, so if you have the copy option here, you can either copy it or you can download the entire code at HTML, download it and then paste it in your code editor or whatever editors that you're using, and then work from there. That's one way of doing it. Okay, you can do that, like especially for developers and professionals, they would like to do it because they can easily go and edit this. So just replace the tags with whatever they want to, so just they can edit that and then personalize it. That's one way of doing it. But if you want another way that you can do it is as well is through the chat. So you can ask Cloud AI to do it for you. So for example, I want to edit my name, add my name here. I want to put it my name, like my portfolio. So I'm going to chat with Cloud AI, ask it to do it. Can you edit my portfolio and replace it with Shan portfolio on the website? Okay, I want to do this. So do that and click on this send option again. So what will happen is Cloud AI will make these changes for you. Okay, so if you just wait, give it a little bit of time, so it will do it for you. So once it's doing that, it's updating. Okay, so once done, so it says I have updated the logo. Okay, so now see, as you can see now here, see the portfolio has now been changed. So whatever I asked, it has been done. So similarly, you can also edit in this way by chatting with Cloud AI, and you can edit it and personalize it. So whatever you want it to be done, you can simply chat it and then get it done, if you don't want to do it through by editing the code here. So these are the ways how you can personalize it. So once you're done with it, once you're happy with your website and everything, all you have to do is publish here. So if you click on the publish option here, if you click on it, it's going to ask you, so and and it is going to ask you for publishing and everything, and it's going to ask you to publish and copy your link, a link of your website. So just to finalize and publish everything, so click on publish and copy link, and you'll get a link of your website and it will be published. And that's how you do it. Hope the video helps.